finals and I'm ending my semester of school. So things have been piling up in my apartment and I have not had time to put anything away or clean up and keep it organized in here. So it is a disaster. I don't know if you can tell from behind me, but as soon as I start putting stuff off, it'll just pile up and then I'll have to spend like an entire day cleaning. So that's today. I really want to start the new year with a clean apartment. I think it's gonna feel really refreshing and a lot better in here once it's clean and picked up. My plan is to just put on a couple movies and clean all day. I'm excited. It's gonna be good. It sucks. Here is my outfit, by the way. I have on a plain tank top, my leggings, fuzzy socks, and then this cardigan. I just want to wear something comfy and like movable today. I made some coffee and I'm gonna start at this part of my apartment. Guys, this is a huge improvement. I literally haven't seen this couch in so long. Like, this area is transformed. So this whole area looks so nice. I'm gonna come back to my desk. Packages recently, they've been coming in these huge boxes. I have to break them down to put them in the trash room, and I've been putting that off because it's so much work. So I'm gonna do that right now. I literally came home one day and I had 3 huge boxes to carry in from the lobby where my mail is. All right, let's break these down and take out all of this trash. Taking all this to the recycling. Recycling trip number 2. Guys, that made such a huge difference. I got all the boxes broken down and taken to the recycle. I haven't seen my floor right there in a while. So that helped a lot. And now I have my laundry. So in here is my washer and dryer. I'm gonna start a load right now. I am gonna start with the colored load. Alright guys, I finished wiping down my kitchen table. It looks a little plain, but honestly way better. Like, at least it's cleared off. I'm definitely gonna put some more decorations and stuff here. This is what it looks like for now. It looks way better in here. So I finally have pretty much my entire space cleaned. I've gotten so much done already, and now we're gonna focus on this part of my room. So I need to make my bed, change the sheets and the pillowcases, clear off the bedside tables, and then once I do all of that, I'm gonna sweep and mop this entire part of my apartment. I'm trying to just do my room first, and then afterwards I'm gonna move on to my kitchen and my bathroom. Alright guys, so I finally finished this part of my room. I made my bed. What a huge difference. Like, making your bed transforms your room so much. I cleaned off my bedside tables, which looks so much better too. I turned on all my lights to kind of like finish everything off. Looks so nice in here, guys. I'm obsessed. So here is an overview of my apartment right now. Oh my god, what a transformation. But if you guys were curious, this box is filled with room decorations and stuff I'm gonna use for a future video, so I'm gonna keep it right there and I'm not gonna show you. That's a secret for an upcoming video, guys. I'm so excited. The main room in my apartment looks so much better. I can't even tell you how nice it is that I can actually walk on the floor. Like, I'm not stepping on anything. I haven't had that in a while. Yeah, we're having a huge transformation. It's looking so much better. My laundry just finished, so I'm gonna put it in the dryer and do the next load. So today's video is sponsored by Zhirelle. They are a jewelry company that I'm obsessed with. You guys know I wear jewelry every single day. I don't feel ready until I have on my earrings and my rings. They sent me some really cute pieces that I feel like are perfect for the holidays and New Year's. These would make super nice, great gifts, or honestly, it's the time of year to treat yourself, guys. Like, I'm really excited to start the new year with new jewelry. So first are these gold hoops. I'm obsessed with these. I wear gold hoops every day. I feel like these are the perfect size. They're just so pretty. All of this jewelry is very clean, dainty. Honestly, it just looks really nice. Next are the rings. These are definitely gonna be my new everyday rings. So first I got these two. They're sold individually, but I thought they would look so cute stacked. And then this gold ring as well. It's a little bit more bold. And then this necklace, it's a gold chain with a little silver diamond at the end. I just love like simple jewelry that'll go with anything. And then lastly is this gold chain. It's short, so I feel like it'll go with any style top I wear. So you guys should definitely check them out. I will have the link on the screen and in the description that you guys can go check out, especially for the holidays. And thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So next I'm gonna do my bathroom. This is what it's looking like. It's honestly not too bad. I have to pick up a couple things on the floor and organize my counter, and then I'll probably wash these rugs, take out the trash. Also, I need to clean all the mirrors in my apartment, including this one. Yeah, so I'm moving on to the bathroom. I'm gonna do the kitchen last because I really don't want to do it. That's really what I'm putting off. All right, my counter looks so much better. It's so organized and clean. I have all of my skincare products here, and then my makeup in these two baskets, and then all the products a part of my everyday routine. I'm obsessed. This looks so much better. And next, I'm gonna do the floors. So I'm gonna sweep and then mop, and then I'm gonna clean my shower. Alright guys, so I finally finished the bathroom. It looks so much better. After the rugs are done washing, I'm gonna put them back on the floor right here. But what a huge difference. Like, everything looks so good. That actually took so long. My back hurts so bad. I was like scrubbing the floor in the shower, like, oh my god. Alright guys, I am absolutely exhausted, but we're gonna finish off with the kitchen. It is literally dark out. Like, I started this video this morning right when I woke up and got ready, and now it's 6:30. So it's been an all day thing. Like, I have not stopped cleaning all day, which is crazy. We're gonna finish off. It feels amazing in here. Just walking back and forth from my room to the bathroom. It's so clean. There's nothing I'm tripping over. There's nothing that's like gross that I'm like, oh, I need to clean that. It's just such a different vibe in here, and I want it to be like this always. It's so nice. I'm gonna finish everything off by cleaning the kitchen. I've been really putting this off because I hate cleaning my kitchen. Just doing dishes, I've never liked it. It's just not fun at all. I hate washing dishes. I hate cleaning out the sink, so we're just gonna get it done. So here is what my kitchen looks like. I love it because it's just a long counter with all these cabinets, but it is a mess and it gets dirty so fast, especially this. Oh my god, a sink full of dishes. I'm gonna cry. This is so bad. So anyway, I'm gonna load the dishwasher. So I finished loading the dishwasher, and I also just washed all these pots and pans by hand. We're making progress. I'm gonna let these dry and then put them away. Alright everyone, I just took my 4th trip to the trash room to take my recycling and trash out. But my apartment is finally done, so I just finished cleaning the kitchen. I cleaned out the sink. I even put one of those like lemon scents in it so it smells good. This is a huge improvement. My kitchen looks so much better. I'm so glad I got all the dishes out. Are you serious right now? Just everything looks so good. Like, are you kidding me? It looks so much better. I can't believe it. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I am exhausted. My back hurts so bad. Like, this was the longest day ever. I've been putting this off for so long. I needed this so bad. I honestly feel better, like mentally too. Thank you guys again for watching and staying until the end. I am so grateful for each and every one of you for watching my videos. I am in love with my apartment and living alone and making videos like this, but none of this would be possible without you. Like, I would not have been able to move out and be able to support myself and live in an apartment like this, and just everything I have, I owe it all to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I literally don't know where I would be if it wasn't for all of you. I think about it every single day. So I will see you guys soon. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.